तपाई हेरिरहनु भएको छ हाम्रो इंग्लिश गुरु युट्युब च्यानल तपाईहरुको अंग्रेजी सिक्ने ठाउँ आउनुहोस् आजको भिडियोमा सारै महत्त्वपूर्ण अंग्रेजीका वाक्यहरुको अभ्यास गरौँ आर यु रेडी लेट्स बिगिन उनले यो सुनिन् भने रिसाउने छिन् She will be angry if she hears this She will be angry if she hears this त्यसैले म उनलाई भन्ने छैन That is why I will not tell her That is why I will not tell her छिटो गर नत्र बस छुट्नेछ Hurry up otherwise you will miss the bus Hurry up otherwise you will miss the bus Otherwise को अर्थ नत्र Hurry up otherwise you will miss the bus बस छुट्यो भने म पैदल जान्छु अथवा हिँड्दै जान्छु I will go on foot if I miss the bus I will go on foot if I miss the bus On foot को अर्थ हिँड्दै अथवा पैदल I will go on foot if I miss the bus तिमीले त्यस्तो किन गर्यौ Why did you do something like that Why did you do something like that मैले तिम्रो लागि सबै थोक गरे I did everything for you यसको अर्थ मैले सबै थोक तिम्रो लागि गरे पनि हुन्छ I did everything for you के तिमी मलाई माफ गर्छौ Will you forgive me Will you forgive me Forgive भनेको माफ गर्नु Will you forgive me अब उत्तरमा म तिमीलाई कहिल्यै माफ गर्ने छैन I will never forgive you I will never forgive you अर्को उत्तर मबाट टाढा बस Stay away from me Stay away from me मलाई एक मौका देऊ म तिमीलाई निराश पार्ने छैन Give me a chance I won't let you down Give me a chance I won't let you down Let you down भनेको तिमीलाई निराश पार्नु र I won't let you down को अर्थ चाहिँ तिमीलाई निराश पार्ने छैन अथवा पार्दिन Give me a chance I won't let you down नाइ म तिमीलाई अब कुनै मौका दिने छैन No I will not give you any more chances No I will not give you any more chances त्यहाँको सेवा कस्तो छ How is the service there How is the service there त्यहाँको सेवा धेरै राम्रो छ The service there is very good The service there is very good मलाई लाग्छ म त्यहाँ फेरि जान्छु I think I will go there again I think I will go there again यहाँ I think को अर्थ म सोच्छु मलाई लाग्छ अथवा मेरो विचारमा हुन्छ यो वाक्यमा चाहिँ मलाई लाग्छ को अर्थ लाग्यो I think I will go there again म तिमीलाई अझ राम्रो ठाउँ देखाउने छु I will show you a better place I will show you a better place Better को अर्थ अझै राम्रो I will show you a better place यदि उनीहरूले मानेनन् भने के हुन्छ What happens if they don't agree What happens if they don't agree उनीहरू सहमत हुन् वा नहुन् यस कुराले केही फरक पार्दैन It doesn't matter if they agree or not It doesn't matter if they agree or not Agree भनेको मान्नु अथवा सहमत हुनु It doesn't matter if they agree or not तिमी कस्तो खालको खाना मन पराउँछौ What kind of food do you like What kind of food do you like उत्तरमा म मसालादार खाना मन पराउँछु I love spicy food I love spicy food अनि तपाईहरुलाई चाहिँ कस्तो खाना मन पर्छ नि तल कमेन्ट सेक्सनमा लेखिदिनु होला Also, be sure to subscribe to this channel and Hamro online class if you haven't subscribed already. दुबै च्यानलको सब्स्क्राइबको छेउमा भएको घण्टीलाई पनि बजाउन अवश्य नछुटाउनु होला आफ्नो रिस म माथि नउतार Don't take your anger out on me. Don't take your anger out on me. Take your anger out on me भनेको आफ्नो रिस म माथि उतार्नु Don't take your anger out on me. मलाई रिस उठाउने तिमी नै हौ You are the one who made me angry. You are the one who made me angry. के तिमीलाई थाहा छ यो कसले गर्यो अथवा गरेको हो Do you know who did it? Do you know who did it? मलाई थाहा छ तर म तिमीलाई भन्ने छैन I do, but I will not tell you. I do, but I will not tell you. यो कसले गर्यो भन्ने कुरा हामीले पत्ता लगाउनै पर्छ We have to find out who did it. We have to find out who did it. के तिमी अझै पनि मलाई शंका गर्छौ Do you still doubt me? Do you still doubt me? D-O-U-B-T, doubt. Doubt होइन, doubt. Be silent हुन्छ. Do you still doubt me? तिमीलाई भरोसा गर्न मलाई गाह्रो लाग्छ. I find it difficult to trust you. I find it difficult to trust you. उ साच्चीकै राम्रो मान्छे जस्तो छ. He seems like a really nice person. He seems like a really nice person. मलाई त त्यस्तो लाग्दैन. I don't think so. I don't think so. यो तिमीलाई मेरो अन्तिम चेतावनी हो. This is my last warning to you. This is my last warning to you. म वाचा गर्छु कि म यो फेरि गर्ने छैन. I promise I won't do it again. I promise I won't do it again. म कसैसँग डराउँदिन अथवा मलाई कसैसँग डर लाग्दैन. I am not afraid of anyone. I am not afraid of anyone. के यो गर्न सम्भव छ? Is it possible to do it? Is it possible to do it? पहिलो उत्तर मलाई लाग्दैन कि यो सम्भव छ. I don't think it is possible. I don't think it is possible. दोस्रो उत्तर यो गाह्रो त छ तर असम्भव भने छैन. It is difficult but not impossible. It is difficult but not impossible. तिमी मसँग किन बहस गर्दैछौ? Why are you arguing with me? Why are you arguing with me? म बहस गर्ने मनस्थितिमा छैन अथवा म बहस गर्ने मूडमा छैन. I am not in the mood to argue. I am not in the mood to argue. तपाई सत्य बोल्दै हुनुहुन्छ कि झुटो बोल्दै हुनुहुन्छ? Are you telling the truth or are you lying? Are you telling the truth or are you lying? Truth भनेको सत्य कुरा र lying भनेको झुटो बोल्दै. Are you telling the truth or are you lying? तिमीले गफ दिइरहेको हुनुपर्छ. You must be bluffing. You must be bluffing. Bluff को अर्थ गफ दिनु अथवा फाइफुट्टी लगाउनु. You must be bluffing. मलाई अरूसँग तुलना नगर्नुहोस्. Don't compare me with others. Don't compare me with others. सबै आआफ्नै तरिकाले राम्रो हुन्छन्. Everyone is good in their own way. Everyone is good in their own way. र यो एकदमै सही पनि हो. आजको भिडियोलाई यति नै. This much for the video. Be sure to like, comment, share and subscribe. र यो च्यानल र हाम्रो अनलाइन क्लासमा भएका सबै भिडियोहरू पनि एक एक गरी हेर्न नछुटाउनुहोला.